Understanding the importance of credit repair, Phoenix AZ. Credit repair refers to the process of fixing errors or improving your credit score. A good credit score is important for obtaining loans and credit cards with favorable terms and for getting lower interest rates. It can also have an impact on your ability to rent an apartment, get a job, and even get insurance. Understanding the importance of credit repair can help you maintain a good credit score and improve your financial well-being. A credit score is a numerical representation of your creditworthiness based on the information in your credit report. This information includes your payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, and types of credit accounts. A low credit score can result from late payments, high credit card balances, collections, and other negative events. On the other hand, a high credit score demonstrates that you are responsible with credit and a low risk for lenders. Credit repair is important because it can help you improve your credit score. By fixing errors on your credit report, such as inaccuracies or outdated information, you can improve your credit score and increase your chances of getting approved for credit. If you have negative items on your credit report, such as collections or late payments, credit repair can help you negotiate with your creditors to have these items removed or updated. Credit repair can also help you get out of debt. By fixing your credit score, you may be able to qualify for lower interest rates on loans and credit cards. This can help you save money on interest and pay off your debt faster. Additionally, credit repair can help you manage your finances better by giving you a clearer picture of your credit standing. However, it is important to be cautious when considering credit repair services. There are many companies that offer credit repair services, but not all of them are legitimate. Some companies may charge you for services that you can do yourself for free, or make false promises about improving your credit score. It is important to research the company before signing up for their services and to be wary of any company that guarantees to improve your credit score. In addition, it is important to understand that credit repair is a slow process. Improving your credit score takes time and effort, and there is no quick fix. It may take several months or even years to see a significant improvement in your credit score. However, by following a responsible credit management strategy, you can see a gradual improvement over time. In conclusion, credit repair is an important aspect of managing your finances and improving your credit score. It can help you obtain loans and credit cards with favorable terms, save money on interest, and improve your financial well-being. By understanding the importance of credit repair and being cautious when considering credit repair services, you can take control of your finances and secure a better financial future.